What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Conan Exiles on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses. Nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now what we need to do is go to the Steam website to locate this game, and after that we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and search for the game Conan Exiles. Once you have found it, select it and then scroll a little bit down. And once you have done that, you will find a price of €39.99, but that is quite expensive. Don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to the link in the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now search up the same game, Conan Exiles, and once you have done that, you can select games on the left side, and then we need to sort by price lowest first. After that, scroll a little bit down till you find a PC version of this game, and this text needs to be marked green so it can be activated in your country. Now we have found one, so we will click on it, and after that we will be redirected to the game page. Now as you can see, we can already download this game for just €4.19 instead of the price of €39.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is purchase this game. After that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key or a completely new Steam account with the game, so you can download it on your PC. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!